Don't play. You play. And you gonna learn the.
So guys, good and welcome back to another video. This was the amazing moment Davido and Very Dark Man had alongside Cubana Chief Priest in Lagos State, because yesterday Davido actually invited this guy from Abuja to Lagos to come and join him celebrate his Chioma's new baby. Because as we all know, Chioma actually gave birth to twins of recent, and since then Davido has been celebrating this so far. And you know that Davido actually invited this guy. Not only that he invited him, he actually lodged him in a very expensive hotel in Lagos State. And this guy right now had the opportunity to meet with Cubana Chief Priest and Davido. So I'm not going to waste much of your time. I want you guys to watch this video. There's short opinions on what you guys see in the comment section. And if it's your first time or coming across the channel, please do it to hit that subscribe button. Turn up the notification button. Make sure you get notifications whenever I drop new updates like this. I love to see you again in another of my videos. Stay tuned and stay tuned for more updates. I'll see you guys again in another of my video.
Dagmar! Don't play. If you play, you play. Dagmar! Yeah, that's so. And don't wait. And don't for life. That's so. That's so. Yeah. Other food. Show. That's so. Don't play. You play.
So guys, now that you have seen this amazing link come from Davido and Cubana Chief Priest alongside Very Dark Man, let's see your opinions on what you guys think about this. Davido actually invited this guy all the way from Abuja to Lagos State just to celebrate his kids. Let's see your opinions on what you guys think, and don't forget to subscribe, like this video and share. Subscribe and turn on the notification button. Make sure you get notified whenever I drop new updates like this. I'll see you guys again in another of my video.